Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we dive deep into the machines that redefine power, luxury, and legacy. Today, we're unleashing a beast that blends military-grade toughness with Rolls Royce elegance. This is the 2026 Hummer H1 Thunder Rolls Royce Edition. Born from the DNA of the original H1A, America's ultimate off-road warrior, the Thunder Edition takes everything you thought you knew and pushes it onto uncharted territory. At first glance, it's unmistakably Hummer, brutal, squared, unstoppable. But get closer, and the Rolls-Royce influence begins to whisper. Or rather, thunder. Under the hood lies a 6.6-liter Duramax V8 twin-turbo, pushing out a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower with over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. It's no longer just a truck, it's a fortress on wheels. 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds in a machine this size, that's not just fast, it's absurd. Step inside, and the transformation hits like a velvet hammer. Hand-stitched leather wraps the custom bucket seats. Rolls-Royce-inspired ambient lighting flows through the cabin like a luxury lounge in motion. A starlight headliner mimics the night sky. And yes, it's fully customizable. Even the infotainment system, powered by a dual interface, seamlessly switches between off-road diagnostics and luxury concierge controls. But it's not just the beauty queen in a combat suit. The Thunder rides on adaptive air suspension with military-grade independent portal axles. It climbs, it crawls, it conquers, with the 4-mode terrain system and to-work vectoring on demand. This H1 doesn't just go off-road, it goes off-script. The sound system, a 30-speaker Rolls-Royce tuned Dolby Atmos setup that turns your favorite road anthem into an arena experience. And those suicide doors, pure theater. Only 300 units will ever exist, each custom built to the owner's specs. Price tag, a cool $650, if you can even get on the list. The 2026 Hummer H1 Thunder Rolls Royce Edition is more than a vehicle, it's a declaration, a bold fusion of excess and engineering, where off-road legend meets luxury royalty. And here on Rolling Legends, it turns its place in the Hall of Power. Hit that like button if you drive one of these monsters. And don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning.